morning. So today's strategy is just about how to find equivalence, meaning I'm going to type in first the question. So what expression is equivalent to 9x squared and plus 55x plus 6. Okay, so that's the one that they're asking about. And I'm going to type in all of my answer choices until I find a match. So I typed in the first one. I can see that the blue line does not overlap with the red line. So that won't work. Now I have 9x minus 6, and then x minus 1. Right, the green line does not overlap with the red. So hopefully the last one works, or else it's none of them. 9x plus 1, x plus 6. And voila. I have that purple line right over the red. I can also see it by kind of making it go away and then pushing it back on, away, back on. So I see purple goes right over the red. So the correct response for that first one is going to be C. I can do the same thing with equivalent square roots. So I'm going to go ahead and clear these out. My first expression is 5 square root of 128. I'll be showing some of you how to actually do square roots by hand, but we can have the calculator do it for now. And I'm going to put in my answer choices to find a match with 56.56. So 320 square root of 2, that's not a match. I have 40 square root of 2. Voila, I've got my match. All right, I'm going to move to the next one for number 3. Again, equivalent. So I'm using that same strategy. I'm going to first put in the question, -4 parentheses x plus 7 squared minus 6. And now I'm going to start putting in my answer choices. -4x squared minus 56x minus 202. Wait, I want to make sure I know where the green one is first before I get, oh wait, unless is that already a match? Oh, that was fast. That first one matches right over the green. So we found our answer. Next, I'm not going to go over this one because it's the exact same as this one. Or like, literally, they're all the same. I want to do another one that's graph. Okay, it's like this one, but this time you would be putting in the factored form first and then find a match with the standard form. These ones, if you are in the advanced lesson, you're actually learning how to solve this one by hand. But if you are practicing the strategy of equivalence, you would be typing in exactly what you see. The trick is, though, that has to be exactly what you see. I see some of you guys type it in a little bit different, but it needs to be just as it's written. So there's my original, right? There we go, black line. This graph, we want it to match with one of our answer choices. So I'm going to type in my answer choices. And this one is another one where we're lucky right away. That first one is a match with my question. Again, though, if you're in the advanced lesson, you'll learn how to do this one by hand. Now, this is the last one I'm going to do in the video, number 6, because this is just where we're now actually matching an equation to a graph. It can go the other way around too. If we have a graph, we can type in the equations. We just want to find which ones look exactly the same. I have to use my a exponent b, so I can have my exponent be an x. Now I'm just trying to see, okay, which one has a y-intercept of 0, 10, and it's going to like kind of have an asymptote right at 0. It needs to go up in the positive direction. And it looks like D is going to be a match to the graph of the equation. can do the same thing in reverse. I said the last one was my last one, but I lied. Where I'm going to, wait, nope, that's the same one. Here we are. This one we're given a graph and we need to figure out which equation matches it. So I'm actually going to type in all of the equations that they've listed. Instead of h of x, though, I'm going to put y so that Desmos can read it a little bit better. Okay, and I can see the green doesn't match because it doesn't go through the origin or have another 0 at 6. Try the next one. X squared plus 3x minus 9. Okay, again, this one does not go through the origin, so I need to try another. X squared minus 6x. Okay, this one looks like it's probably our match. It has my intercepts at 0, 0, and 6, 0. And then it looks like the vertex is in the right spot as well at 3, -9. So C would be my correct answer. That will conclude our video on equivalence, where we are using our answer choices and the question to figure out which one is a match. Great, how do I stop recording?